Governor Murphy just raised New Jersey's minimum wage by 8.3%. Specifically, the minimum wage has gone up from $12 per hour to $13 per hour. Now, here's why that's good. We know that inflation this year is well over 6%, so by raising the minimum wage by over 8%, that helps a lot of folks who are earning less money than others. Now, it might not seem like a lot of money, but just keep in mind, 10 years ago, I was working a minimum wage job earning $7.25 an hour, so it has almost doubled since then. This increase is part of Murphy's legislation signed back in February of 2019, promising to raise the minimum wage to $15 an hour by the year 2024. Now, here's actually a schedule of what these wage increases will look like over the course of a decade. Murphy believes this increase will greatly improve the lives of countless New Jerseyans and ensure that hardworking people across our state are paid a living wage. Now, to put less of a pressure on small and seasonal employers, this wage increase will be a lot less subtle. So the minimum wage for those employers will be $11.90 per hour, up from $11.10 an hour. Also, tip workers will also see a bump, so $1 increase, making it effectively $5.13 per hour. Murphy says, quote unquote, "Too many workers aren't earning enough money to make ends meet, but that is changing for New Jersey residents and future generations as we continue to gradually raise the minimum wage and help alleviate poverty across our great state." To put things into perspective, about 200,000 employees in New Jersey earn between $10 and $11 per hour. So this new law aims to change that. But that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe to my channel.